Guys, do you want an acceptance letter just within 7 days in a European place where there is sunshine for more than 300 days a year? So, guys, welcome to Spain, Europe's fastest track to study option. So, guys, they have lightning fast admission. Reason being, most of the public universities accept rolling online applications. So, you just have to upload your transcripts, a scanned copy of your passport, and pay a €30 fee, and decision often lands within 1 week. There is no centralized bottleneck, and program seats are confirmed the moment your file is complete. There are English taught bachelor's as well as master's programs in business, data science, renewable energy, hospitality, and even more. So, guys, why does Spain rock? So, it has an affordable tuition fee ranging from €700 to €2,500 in public universities, and top private universities range from 3,000 to 4,000 euros, and living costs as low as 8,000 to 1,000 euros per month if you live in a city like Madrid or Barcelona, and even cheaper in cities like Valencia, Granada, Zaragoza. So, guys, you can have a 12-month extended search visa after you graduate, which is applicable to all the Schengen areas. You can also work part-time, which will help you to earn while you're studying. It has a Mediterranean style lifestyle and a world class football and tapas at night and weekend trains to Portugal or France. So, guys, let me tell you some of the star universities in Spain, starting with University of Barcelona. It is a top 100 globally recognized for life sciences. Autonomous University of Madrid is elite for research and a green campus. University of Carlos III in Madrid is known for its science and economic powerhouse. And IE University is global recognized top 10 for entrepreneurship and MBAs. So, guys, talking about the visa snapshot, you just have to book the type D student visa with the VFS, show your acceptance letter, show a bank balance of around €7,000 and an insurance and a PCC certificate, and your approval will land within 10 to 15 working days if the documents are flawless. So, guys, if you are ready for flamenco lectures and football heaven, you will get admitted within 7 days. DM Spain fast, and Via Global will secure your seat and visa so you can glow beyond borders under the Spanish sun. Nos vemos en España.